We're here today to talk about something that's quite difficult for a lot of people when it comes to driving a bigger vehicle like a truck or a van, and that is reversing. After all, you do have all of this to worry about when you're reversing a truck. Wouldn't want to get in the way of that. So to start with, the visibility is a lot less than a normal car because of the high sides of the truck. Plus, you can't even see out the back windows. So how do you go about reversing one of these things safely anyway? I'm sorry to say there isn't really a hack to it, but there is a few tips I can give you. Follow these few tips and you'll be well on your way to reversing one of these things safely. So first things first, you need to set your mirrors up properly. We do have a video on this, but you can go find that in the description below or linked on screen if I remember. But the gist of it is simply just to point the mirror at the driver's headrest on both sides. This will give you a good view of the truck and what else you need to see as well. Having a reversing camera makes it really easy not to hit anything. Thankfully, all of Handy's vehicles come fitted with one. A little trick I like to use when I can't see how close something is to me is to open the door a little bit, look behind you, and you can see quite easily, while holding on the steering wheel, how close the wall is. But by far the easiest way not to hit anything is to just get a friend to help you do so. Let me show you a few gestures. Pull your hand backwards like this, and that means backwards. Pull your hand to the right like that, means to the right. And pull your hands to the left, like this, that means go left. And then one full palm like that is stop. So there you have it. There's your 3 tips on how to reverse a truck. If you do need to hire a truck or van, visit our website, or if you do want to buy one as well, you can visit the website and the link in the description. Thanks for watching, bye.